In this video, I'm going to unbox the ARZOPA portable gaming monitor. Let's get started. By the way, this product is boxed twice, so it is much safer. The box is made from high-quality materials, which I like. These are the accessories, as you can see. There are 3 cables in total. Let's get rid of that sticker. Next, let's take a look at the mini HDMI to HDMI cable. The user manual contains more information about how to connect it. Let's take a look at the USB-C to USB-A cable. I use my adapter with my other portable monitor since the adapter is not included. Ensure the connected device or power adapter can supply a minimum power of 5 volts at 2.4 amps. Let's take a look at the USB-C to USB-C cable next. Watching 4K videos on this monitor is really nice. It's 144 Hz. You can also flip it in portrait mode.